Hello friends, in today's video we're going to be changing the brake calipers and the brake pads on this Mitsubishi Outlander. This one is 2011 model, and the reason why we're changing the brake calipers is because the seals inside the pistons are worn out. So instead of getting the old ones reconditioned, the owner of the car wanted to have the new caliper, so we're just going to crack on with it. So to start off with, we will have to undo these bolts, this one here and one at the bottom. That's the these are the number 17 bolts to undo, two of them, and then we have to undo this bolt here. That's for the brake pipe. Okay, so that bolt is 14 mil bolt. So before I remove the brake pipe, I'm gonna put a clamp on it so that the fluid doesn't escape from the pipe. There we go, that's the clamp. So that will stop the fluid leak. Okay friends, we're just gonna undo the bolt here. Okay, so this is a 14 mil bolt. That's to disconnect the brake pipe. There we go. Right friends, now we're going to disconnect the caliper. So two 17 mil bolts to undo the caliper. Okay. There we go. Right, so that's the old caliper out of the way, and this is the reason why we are replacing it, because the piston seals are all deteriorated, and also it is kind of seized as well, so we're not gonna bother getting it repaired, so we're just gonna put a new one, and same time we're gonna change the brake pads as well. There we go. Okay friends, that's the new caliper. Okay, and so that's what we're gonna fit. Also we have the brake pads. Just gonna fit the pads first. Just gonna apply a little bit grease on the ends. This is a special high temperature grease. There we go. That's the inner pad in place. Just gonna do the outer. There we go. Okay, so the new caliper. Just gonna slide it in like that. There we go. Just gonna apply grease on the pins. There we go. That's the bottom one in place. So now we're gonna fit the top one. Plenty of grease on the guide pin bolt. Right, so now we're gonna secure the brake pipe. There we go. That's that done. Right friends, there we go. Now that we have fitted the new caliper and the new brake pads, so what we're going to do is I'm going to release this clamp to allow the brake fluid to get into the caliper, and the final bit is to bleed the nipple here. So when you bleed the nipple, make sure that you put extra brake fluid in the brake reservoir, and job done. Okay, so thank you very much for watching the video.